That's recording right there.
Okay.
Kevin. Hey everybody, welcome to Mac Monday. I'm Mac, and this is my coach, Kevin Williams.
What's up, guys?
There you go. That was so big.
Hello.
Hello everybody. So you guys wanted more jiu-jitsu videos on this channel, and today I'm going to give you guys what you want. So today, I'm gonna go over my favorite submissions from the mount position with Kevin. So let's get this started. Okay, so here is the armbar from mount position. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to isolate one arm right here and make sure I'm heavy on the top. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull his arm this way so that he kind of goes on the side. And this knee is gonna go right behind his shoulder while this one goes underneath the armpit. That way I'm really locked up here and I have his arm, can't really get away. But for safety, I'm gonna grab the other arm, lock it up, lean forward like this, and sit right back down. So one more time, one more game. Isolate one arm and drag it this way to get him on his side. Knee behind the shoulder, knee under the armpit. Grab both arms. Make sure you're really close. Lean, swing around and sit. And that's the armbar. Okay. You're going to do a triangle. Isolate both hands, but put one a little bit lower so that you can take this knee and slide it over this lower arm onto the mat. Pull his head up. Swing that around like that. So when I'm going to lock this up, I'm gonna take this hand, post it here, grab my shin from the top, pull it, and lock it up. And then all I gotta do after that is pull his head to me. You're in the sunken place. Welcome back. Okay, so this is my favorite choke for when motherfuckers want to get loud. Ezekiel choke. Let's do this. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna hug the head. And then we're gonna do what's called grapevine, not the dance, but this is where you look like a frog and you just kind of with the ankles, you look like a froggy trying to swim. And then all you're gonna do, this hand right here. I'm gonna take 4 fingers, take it in this little sleeve right here, and this is gonna like come around to the neck. And you're just gonna chop down. So again, isolate the head, grapevine, froggy, whatever you want to call it. 4 fingers. That's what she said. 4 fingers in the sleeve. Take this around to the front of the throat. Okay, so this is a truck to calf slicer, and this is what you can do. This is an option of what you can do if someone tries to get out of your mount or escapes from you. So, first thing Kevin's gonna do, he's gonna hip bump me. I'm gonna be close like this. He's gonna grab me. And he's gonna put my leg right in there. So as soon as he does that, I'm gonna back set here, figure 4, and hook his foot. Then I'm gonna take this and try to grab that foot. I'm gonna go this way. That way I have his foot. And I'm gonna take this one, push down on my own ankle, grab his, and then ta-da! One more piece. Okay. So, boom. Here we go. Back step, 54. Up this foot. Take this along my shoulder. Here. Push down on my own ankle.
Truck the world.
Hashtag truck the world.
We out this bitch.
Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for new videos every Monday. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.